Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we will read the biology, and today our topic is cells and tissues. Unit number 4 in biology, class 9th, and we will read out cells and tissues. We will define it, we will explain it. So let's get started video now and starting the video now and explaining to my viewers. So today our topic is unit number 4, cells and tissues. So now we are going to explain it. Okay. So now these are the axes and capabilities of prokaryotes and eukaryote cells owning the presence or absence of nucleus and mitochondria. Describe cells size and shape as their relative to surface area to volume ratio. So today we will read and explain it. Now this is the all organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. The body of unicellular organism is made up of a single cell, while the body of multicellular organisms is composed of many cells. In this unit we will study what a cell is actually made up of and how they organize to make the bodies of organisms. Before going into the details of cell, we will study the instruments which helps scientists to discover these details, that is a microscope. So now we will discuss about microscopy. The use of microscope is known as microscopy. Dear students, please understand it. The use of microscope is known as microscopy. So the first microscope was developed by Zecharis Jensen in Holland in 1595. It was simply a tube with lenses at each end. Its magnification ranged from 3x mean 3 times to 9x mean 9 times. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1723, a Dutch scientist, made a much better microscope and observed small organisms under it. The magnification power of Leeuwenhoek's microscope was more than 250 times. He is considered to be the first microscopist. This is the focus knob and this is the microscope used by Leeuwenhoek. So this was the microscope, guys. This was the lens. This is shown here. This is the lens and sample holder. This is the sample holder. This is the focus knob. So let's focus on it. And this is the Anton van Leeuwenhoek. This is the scientist, guys. Then after this way, this is the magnification and resolution. So when we use these things under a microscope, its image size increases many times. The image size of an object is called magnification. Resolution means the ability of a microscope or any optical instrument to show two objects separately. For example, our eye can differentiate between 2 points at least 0.1 mm apart. It means that the resolution of a human eye is 0.1 mm. Due to lenses, the resolution of microscope is many times greater than the human eye. That is why we can see minute things clearly through microscope. Then we will discuss about the light microscope. So light microscope uses light to make the image of an object. Light passes through the sample and then through the two glasses lenses. One lens produces an enlarged image of the sample and the second lens magnifies the image more. After passing through the object and the lenses, the light is projected into the viewer's eye where an enlarged and clear image is formed. The magnification of a light microscope is 1500 times. Its resolving power is 0.2 micrometer and 1 is equal 1/1000 mm. In other words, the light microscope cannot distinguish objects smaller than 0.2 So this way, onion cell. This is the cell of onion which we have discovered using in this book. This way, this is eyepiece. Okay, this is eyepiece. This is object lens. This one. This is stage. This is stage. Source of light. So this is the source of light. Illuminator. So a compound microscope. Right. This is the light microscope. This way, this is the electron microscope. So in an electron microscope, a beam of electron is used. Magnetic lenses focus the electron beam on a screen or photographic film and make much enlarged images. Its resolving power is much greater than light microscope. It can distinguish objects as a small 0.5 nanometer nm and 1 nm 1002 mm. There are two types of electron microscope: transmission electron microscope and scanning electron microscope. So thanks for watching, guys.